Engineering culture. BMW built its identity around precision and performance, and that mindset shaped how its engineers approached every component. Instead of designing parts to simply meet requirements, they often pushed beyond what was necessary to achieve a specific driving feel. This culture came from decades of focusing on balance, control, and mechanical refinement. Over time, it created cars that felt special to drive, but also more complex than they needed to be. Performance focus. BMW has long positioned itself as a driver's brand, which meant even everyday models were expected to deliver sharp handling and strong engine response. To achieve that, engineers used advanced suspension setups, finely tuned weight distribution, and intricate engine designs. These choices improved performance, but they also added layers of complexity. What could have been simple became carefully engineered systems aimed at delivering a very specific experience. Inline engine philosophy. BMW stayed loyal to inline engines, especially the straight six, because of their natural balance and smoothness. While other manufacturers moved toward simpler or more compact layouts, BMW continued refining this configuration with added technology like turbocharging and variable valve timing. The result was engines that felt refined and powerful, but also more intricate and demanding to maintain over time. Advanced electronics. As cars evolved, BMW embraced electronic systems earlier and more aggressively than many competitors. Features like iDrive, adaptive driving modes, and complex onboard diagnostics were introduced to enhance control and customization. These systems made the cars feel modern and intelligent, but they also increased the risk of faults and made troubleshooting more difficult for both owners and mechanics. Material choices. BMW often selected high-quality and lightweight materials to improve performance and efficiency. Aluminum components, specialized plastics, and precision-built parts helped reduce weight and improve handling. However, these materials could be more sensitive to wear or damage, and replacement costs were often higher. What improved the driving experience sometimes made long-term ownership more complicated. Ownership experience. All of these engineering decisions came together in the real-world experience of owning a BMW. Drivers often praised the way the cars felt on the road, but maintenance and repairs could become complicated and expensive. Overengineering in this sense was not a single flaw, but a combination of choices that prioritized performance and precision over simplicity.